Ordinarily, when your bot's battery runs low, he returns to the charging station and stays there until his next scheduled cleaning or until you ask him to clean again. However, if you notice that the bot does not fully cover the entire floor in one charge, you can ask him to continue where he left off right after recharging by activating his Auto Resume feature. With Auto Resume activated, your bot returns to his station to recharge when his battery runs low and goes back to continue cleaning where he left off when sufficiently charged. If necessary, the bot will repeat this cycle until the entire floor is done. Having Auto Resume on is especially useful if his vacuum power is set to high, using up a lot more battery power. To activate the Auto Resume feature, first open the app and go to Settings. Then Cleaning Preferences. Click on Auto Resume and toggle it on. Now you're all set. If you need additional help using the bObsweep app, please get in touch with our helpful support team.